Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. So after I installed this this vanity here, because of the tile at the bottom, that has left a space over here and around the top, and then we have the same problem here. So my simplest solution to this problem is to take quarter round, which is this stuff. This is 3/4. And the plan will be to put it like this, and then with brad nails, nail it in, and then silicone the top and the bottom. Now guys, one thing that you need to be aware of, this has a lip. So this piece here will be sitting lower than this piece that will be over here. So to make this look better, the bottom here will have to be trimmed down. So here you can see the different heights. It's not a lot, but it will make for an ugly edge. I'm also going to put a piece on this side here, and we'll figure out how we can make this work. But that is the idea on the shop. So what we'll do now is the material and tools list. Alright, this is our material and our tools list. So for material, we have white silicone, we have our 3/4 quarter round, 1 3/4 brad nails. For tools, we have earplugs, safety glasses, table saw, brad nailer, speed square, and then hand tool, so pencil, measuring tape, and anything else I might need. This is what we need for material and tools for this job, so let's get started. Alright, so using the speed square, I made a mark coming off the wall. So I just put this piece into the corner. From the corner, I just freehand, I drew a line going across. This should be roughly 45 degrees. Guys, I don't have a miter saw, and in this case, a miter saw is not worth the money to go rent. So I'm just going to use a table saw and then do my cuts on that. Alright, so our cut line winds up on the line, and it just misses that. So the next thing that I'll do is I'm going to take the piece to do this cross piece here. Okay, so our cut lines up on the mark. So with this now tight, what I'll do is I'll take the piece to come across here. I'll cut the 45, and then I'll figure out how much I need to cut off the bottom to lower it, so these two will be the same. Alright, you can see the difference in the height. So I believe what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to cut off about 3/16 using the table saw. Alright, so our corner looks pretty good. The silicone will fill the gap, so that is good there. What I'll do is now I'll make a mark and I'll cut this here, and then we're going to start to work on this side. Okay, you can see the gap at the top, which means the wall isn't plumb. So what I'm going to do is I'll cut the square out, and then we'll see what we can do with this. Alright, now we'll nail our pieces in. Make sure they're tight to the corner. And now I know I have a stud somewhere here, so... Alright, with our white silicone, I'll go all the way around now. Alright, so I put the quarter round all the way around. This wall is horribly out of plumb and I ran into some other issues, but at least this will fill in the gap. It looks fairly decent. I told the customer to paint this, and he said it was already painted, and I know this from experience that the way they painted it doesn't look very good. But otherwise, that is a quick and simple way to address this issue. Like, that needs some paint, and some paint over there as well would make this look better. But guys, if you have a problem where your tile has kicked the bottom of the cabinet off the wall so you have a gap, this is a very simple, cost-effective solution to the problem. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.